Hello and welcome to the channel Scene with Chips. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. And please consider subscribing and pressing the bell button so that you can see the videos I'm making throughout the year. In fact, not much of this year left, bearing in mind today's the 26th of December. So what I'm making next year. Okay, well, what I'm doing today is I'm fitting a new set of, well, when I say a new set of floorboards, a set of floorboards to replace the pegs on my Sport Glide. And I'd not really found the pegs very comfortable, so I've been waiting a long time for a set of floorboards that were first of all on back order with Harley Davidson, and then they were a Christmas present from my other half, Sue, who has very kindly bought me the floorboards for Christmas. So when they did eventually arrive from Harley Davidson, Sue took them off me, wrapped them up in a parcel and put them under the Christmas tree. And I've been looking at them for about a week or 10 days, itching to get my hands on them to fit them to the bike. So, but yesterday was Christmas Day. I wasn't allowed to do it yesterday because we had the family around, but today I'm in the garage fitting them. So I'll let you know how I get on with this. If anyone fancies doing this job, you need to order 15 parts from Harley. As you see, they're all laid out there. And what I will do is I will put all the part numbers on a separate item so you can see it. So you can see all the part numbers that are required to do this. I think the sequence of doing this job is really assembling the floorboards all together beforehand, before you actually put them on the bike. We'll go to where they go on the bike in a few minutes, but I think to start with we need to get these rubber pads. They are to go on through those holes in the bottom of here. They'll need to come through into those, so we need to get those on first, and then we can assemble the floorboards together. Now this obviously is a bracket that goes onto this extension arm that takes the gear shifter, because on the other side, as you'll see in a few minutes, the gear shifter on here will need to come through the splines. Now as you can see on the bike itself, there's already this bracket on there. So what we've got to do is to put the bracket on to allow that gear shifter to come. This is how the floorboard goes together onto the bracket. This bar goes through the two holes, through the spring. The spring goes into a little hole in the actual bracket on the floorboard, I should say. And then the second part of the spring you have to squeeze down and get into this groove that's on here, and it goes into a nice groove on that part. On the right hand side there's just a couple of bolts that come out on the brackets there to take the old brackets out. That's the foot peg bracket from the right hand side. So you actually use the same bolts. They go in the same place there. It comes very neatly up to a floorboard. Well, the fitting of the floorboards didn't go too badly. It seemed fairly quite straightforward, except for one issue that I'm having. And I'm having an issue with the actual rubber parts that go on top of the floorboards. They have to go through a little hole in the floorboard and a rubber grommet that goes through it. And I'm really struggling to get those rubber grommets through, and I'm frightened of pulling the little lugs, pulling them off so that I'm stuck and not being able to put them through at all. So needless to say, I phoned my mechanic down at the workshop to get some advice, and what he's told me to do is this. I've got the floorboards actually soaking in boiling water. I'm leaving those for about an hour, and hopefully that will soften up the grommets so that they'll go through the holes a little bit easier. Let's hope so anyway. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. I did come across some little issues, cut my hand and all sorts of things while I was trying to grab those rubber grommets through. But now I'm going to have floorboards on my bike rather than foot pegs, and I can't wait for the weather to just warm up so that I can go and have a test ride. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.